And with the NPL funds that you're seeing, do they generally tend to be specific to, let's say, just larger commercial property loans or only residential investment properties? Do you see it segregated like that?
It can be. In the NPLs, there are a variety of asset classes, including residential, 1 to 4 units, commercials. There are also consumer loans that you can actually purchase. They're owner-occupied. The loan has primarily been originated for the purposes of consumer and consumer purpose. And so in that, the fund manager or the person who wants to acquire that NPLs, are going to look at, how that loan performs based on the fact that it was a consumer or business. And again, it's just a wide variety of asset classes. Depends on what the fund manager is experienced with.
And how's the PPM typically structured? Do they just kind of, as far as the anticipated return, how does a lender even say
Sure.
that, hey, this is the expected return? Because it's a little more complicated,
Right.
You got to get re-performing, and then what happens after? Do you sell the asset to make this big profit at the end, or do you hold on to it long term?
Sure. So some of these, structuring within the PPM or in the offering is that they sometimes do a hurdle rate. So you hit 6, you hit 8, you hit 10, you hit 12. We're going to distribute based upon this hurdle, or we're going to do a smaller, lower, a lower pref, but guaranteed an accumulative during the deferment period, and thereafter have a much higher net income later on in the back ends. I've also seen where just a fixed coupon of say 8% and then the rest gets taken to the manager. There's just various mechanics in how they can structure this to make it work economically.
Okay. And with that, if anyone's thinking of starting an NPL fund or has any questions, Geraci LLP is one of the premier law firms in the country for private lending. And reach out to Tae, find him on LinkedIn, and hopefully he can help you out.
Thank you, Rocky.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Yes.
All right.